Hello. If you're tired of dealing with incomplete records, data inconsistencies, and duplicate entries in your relational fields, this Odoo module is the perfect solution. Remove Quick Create Globally module will restrict the Quick Create option in Odoo ERP. Let's see how to use this module. Firstly, install the module Remove Quick Create Globally. Let's go to Sales to see how this works. Click on New. As you can see, we can create new users quickly. Now let's enable Remove Quick Create Global module and see the outcome. Go to Setting, then click on the users. Locate checkbox Restrict Create and Create Edits, and enable the checkbox. The Quick Create Globally module is active now. As you can see, we cannot create new users instantly now. So the module is working perfectly. Thus, this module helps to maintain data integrity within the organization.